Ooh. Boys and girls, ladies and gents, hello, welcome to another vloggy. It is the end of the workday. I am ready to go home. I'm parked next to this beast. Look at my new belly fairing, Power Bronze. I'm still perplexed about it. There's my wrap. Still perplexed about that too. And I thought about doing a how-to video on how to wrap, and then I realized I don't know how to wrap. So what the hell kind of a how-to could I do? There we go. There we go. Making sure we're recording. We're gonna that was weird. The bike just sort of shut off a little. And that dickweed made me lose the freaking red light. It's okay. It's alright. Look at him. And now he ran a fucking red light, you dill pickle. You disgusting dude. You disgusting dude. Yeah, there is some sort of a weird thing. I might have to talk about it to Ducati, because sometimes the throttle stays open. You know what I mean? Like I gun it and stop. That's fine. And here we go. We're still recording. Good. We're just gonna send it. There's some rain and snow coming up. Poor bike. Why am I abusing it so? That was a strong move. I don't know, sometimes I put my foot out just to feel the ground, which is not good for the boots because my boots are new. And look, that is a cop. That is certainly a popo. They have a new livery. It's all like artsy and crafty. Quick little commute home. Ooh, that's a cop. I don't particularly want to split past them, but I'm gonna have to. It's splitting a little too quick. Don't particularly like it. I have to slow down a little bit. It's warm. The temperature is 46. What's happening here? Yo, the BQE is bugged out. Holy shit, that was a big crash here, huh? Damn. Can you imagine how much traffic there is? Oh my god. People are losing their bananas. There we go. Fourth gear. I do want to speed up, but we're good. That's fine. That's fine. There's no need to go mega fast, mega aggro, mega nothing. I'm just gonna chill out. Ooh. And there seems to be a pawpaw ahead. So we'll just chill out. Just like that. To the front. I don't think they will be upset too much, TBH. There we go. Ooh. There we are. Anyway, not really a vlog, more of a just or just a journaling situation.